Hey, Dries from La Grosse Machine. Today we are introducing something new that I hope you will like as much as we do. A few weeks ago, we released the lead qualification feature. Basically, in any of your campaign, when you get a reply, you are prompt to qualify your leads. That means that in the lead table, you can click the to qualify tag and choose if he's interested, not interested, or out of office. We listened to your feedback, and one of the most recurrent feedback was that you wanted an automatic out of office detection. Well, that's what we did. And so as of today, this message that will ask you to be qualified is just something from the past. You don't have to do anything, just create a new campaign. And as of today, you will get the out of office tag automatically detected. So you don't have to do anything. We will analyze the message, check if it's an out of office message, and that's it. Done. We'll move it to the out of office tag, and it will not be part of your replied statistics. Something greater than this is that you can activate an option in your campaign setting. So we try to detect the date when the lead will be back from holiday and reschedule the rest of the campaign 3 days after I come back. That means that if somebody is telling me that he will come back on September 12th, our system will detect September 12th as 3 days, September 15th, and then continue the campaign as of the September 15th. That's what you can see here. When for this lead, I see that the next action will be performed from September 12th plus 3. Same here. When we don't detect the date, as for this one, for example, the lead is just paused. That means that you can now say, okay, this one and this one, I will manually continue the campaign and just say, okay, I want to resume the campaign manually. To sum it up, we detect the out of office automatically. And if you want La Grosse Machine to be smart for you and reschedule, continue the campaign after the leads come back, just activate this option in your lead, in your campaign settings, and you don't have to do anything else. I hope you like it as much as we do. Again, if you have any question, feel free to reach out and we'll be really happy to answer your question. Cheers.